All right, today we're gonna bring a digital box. This is an Android smart TV box, and also for your car. All right, so this is 2-in-1 on this one. So they give you a couple cables and connections. All right, HDMI connection. All right, they give you the USB Type A to Type C. They give you another Type C to Type C. So if your car has a Type C to Type A, this will be the one. Now, this is for Android, but it also works for if you have an iPhone that's newer with the Type C connection, it will work too. Now, this one right here, I like that they give you the actual connection, the HDMI, so you could connect this to your monitor or to your TV. I'm gonna go to our vehicle and test this out. So we have our device here, and we do have a Type C connection that we're gonna plug in. All right, plug into our Type C on one end. We're gonna plug it into here, and there we have it. Now we're gonna connect our phone. All right, our phone, you're gonna have to find the actual connection. Look at that, it just came up automatically. All right, so on your phone, go to Bluetooth, and then you're gonna have to look for this device, which is right here. All right, here on the actual monitor, if you guys can see, we have it set up already. We have our media. We don't have anything in our media right now, but you could put movies, images, applications, and so forth. So we're gonna go back, and we're gonna go into add. We could add art here, add. You could add all these features that you currently have. So we're gonna add Netflix. We're gonna add. We're gonna add. We can mirror our phone if you want. We can mirror our phone. Add. We could do YouTube. Add. You could choose your favorite one. TikTok, of course. I like TikTok. So I don't need my phone to answer phone calls or anything. It's all done through interaction here. But look at this. I'm able to play Netflix on my car. Make sure you're parked. That's the only thing that it tells you, right? So make sure you're connected. Or like I'm parked right next to my house where I could actually stream. This will not work on the road. All right, it's only if you're parked in a place where you have internet. So we're gonna continue. Once you continue, I'm gonna blur this out right here so you guys can see it. But basically, you have access to your music, your navigation system, your music, and so forth. So we're gonna go back into settings, and you have all the apps in here from some of your phone or apps that you have. All right, if you guys can see that. So I'm able to access all the stuff from here. And like I said, we're gonna exit. We're gonna completely exit. You have access to add more applications in here that are already custom, but your Play Store, you could download some more stuff if you want. That's an option. All right, but right now we do have Netflix. We have music, our basic. You could put music, your own MP3s, and so forth. So everything's in here running off the little box, which is very powerful.